Hey everyone, big news just dropped in the world of AI music that you absolutely need to know about. Suno, one of the most popular AI music generators out there, has just signed a deal with Warner Music Group. So what does this actually mean for us, the creators? Let's break it down. First off, what is this deal? Essentially, Suno is now officially partnering with a major record label. This means Suno will get access to Warner's massive catalog of artists and music to train its AI models. It's a huge step toward making AI music a legitimate part of the industry. For Suno users, this brings some major changes. The AI models will now be officially licensed, which is great for quality and legality, but will likely see new rules. For example, Suno has mentioned that WMG artists will have a choice to opt in or out of having their voices and styles used for training. This is a big win for artist rights. So, are your AI-generated songs still yours to use freely? This is where it gets a bit tricky. The deal signals a shift. While you might still be able to create songs for fun on free tiers, downloading them or using them commercially will probably have more restrictions. We can expect clearer distinctions between free and paid plans. Paid users will likely get more rights for commercial use, but free users might find their creations are just for listening on the platform. What does this mean for indie creators and those of us using AI in our projects? It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, using licensed tools like Suno gives your work more legitimacy. You're less likely to run into copyright trouble down the line. On the other hand, you need to be more careful than ever. Always check the terms of service. Understand what rights you have to the music you generate. Can you monetize it on YouTube? Can you release it on Spotify? The answers will depend on your subscription level and Suno's evolving policies. Watch out for things like attribution requirements and whether you have full commercial rights. So, how should you adapt to this new landscape? My strategic advice is this: treat AI music generation with the same seriousness as using stock music or hiring a composer. If you're serious about your content, consider investing in the paid tiers of licensed AI tools. This will give you the clearest path to commercial use and monetization without legal headaches. And most importantly, stay informed. These policies are changing fast, so keep an eye on updates from Suno and other platforms. Looking at the bigger picture, this deal is a game changer for the entire music and content creation industry. It signals that major labels are ready to embrace AI, not just fight it. We can expect more regulations, yes, but also more opportunities for collaboration. Imagine AI tools that let you legally create music in the style of your favorite artists, with revenue sharing built in. This could revolutionize how we create soundtracks for our YouTube videos, podcasts, and indie films. The line between human-made and AI-assisted music is blurring, and this partnership is proof. So, what's my final take? I think this is ultimately a positive development. It brings order to the Wild West of AI music. For small creators, it means more powerful, high-quality, and legally sound tools are on the way. However, the key is to be a responsible user. Don't try to clone an artist's voice without permission. Understand the rights you're given. And always prioritize ethical creation. The future of AI music is bright, but it's up to us to use these tools wisely. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to see what comes next. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more updates on AI and content creation. See you in the next one.